Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can disable cache in Prestashop. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to shop parameters. And I really think it's going to be advanced parameters and information or performance. Yes. Go to advanced parameters and then go to here to performance. And you're going to see here cache. And what you want to do is just click no. And this is how you do it. And this is how you can simply disable cache and then just click save. So yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.